Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these removable stainless steel hanging pet rabbit guinea pig food bowl. Alright, so right here I've got the guinea pig food bowl. I did purchase this pack, which is a pack of 2. It does come with a stainless steel cup on top, but I take it out because my guinea pig likes to throw it around. This is a great size. It is super nice and small. I like the fact that it can connect to the cage so they can't just move the bowl around. It is a nice quality, very durable. The metal part is 4.85 inches by 1.7 inches high. The plastic part is 4.84 inches wide and 2.1 inches high. They do offer it in a couple different colors. I did get the pink color. You can see how it is connected to the cage. You don't have to worry about it falling out. I really like this. This is a great quality. The fact that you do get 2 in a pack so you can use it for their food and their water, but I just got this one for the food, and I have several guinea pigs, so having extra food bowls are great, so more than one guinea pig can eat. So if you're looking for a bowl for your guinea pig that connects to your cage, I would highly recommend checking this one out. It does offer a pack of 2.